Today I'm taking a look at the SUZUME 16-piece stubby flex head ratcheting wrench set. It does come in two different pouches. That's going to be to separate out the metric and SAE. So this is the metric. We can see we got all the numbers there on the bottom. 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 17. Let's take a look at our 14. Can't see that is labeled on there. It does have a very nice looking coating on it. It is labeled on both sides, and we can't see that is chrome vanadium. There's a very nice ratcheting mechanism on it. Neat gold look on those teeth, and we can see that that is also a flex head. Got a good looking polish on that open end, and we're looking at about 14.25, so a quarter of a millimeter over. So you got a little bit of room so you can get over those nuts and bolts. So let's take a look at our SAE set. We got a 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, half-inch, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, and 3/4. Take a look at that 3/4. And we got that nice labeling on there. We do have that flexible head. Very nice filling ratcheting mechanism on it, and that is labeled on both sides. 3/4 should be 0.75, so that is just over a 0.75. Another thing I'm noticing that I appreciate on these, now that I'm really looking at them, using them, there is always an angle on these, so you can see it right now it's kind of pointing down, and that should always be the way that it drives, and that is the way that this works. So we know that this is actually assembled correctly. Good to know that they actually did that. I have seen ratcheting wrenches that did not have that correctly. They actually have it driving the other direction, but this one is correct. So we got a couple of nuts in here that are already put on, but they're not fully tightened up. It's kind of in a tight area. There's not an awful lot of room. Very good. Even with this small amount of space we're actually turning the wrench, there is enough room in there for me to get a couple of ratchets out of it. Cool. That is a pretty awesome set of ratcheting wrenches.